Hey guys,
it's Mally
and Judah,
and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, it's Mally and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to make breakfast protein healthy smoothies. So right now we're going to show you guys all of our ingredients that we need for our smoothies. This morning I'm making a pineapple smoothie.
and I'm making a mixed berry smoothie.
So let's get into it.
I already put the frozen fruit in there, so now I have to put the unsweetened almond milk in there.
How much?
1 cup exactly. Half a cup of vanilla yogurt. You can use whatever yogurt you want, but I chose vanilla. And so the last ingredient is either a full banana or a half banana. I really like banana, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with the full banana. Now I'm gonna put in this Healthy Skin multi-collagen protein. This is really good for your
It's by
skin.
Ancient Nutrition.
Ancient Nutrition, Dr. Axe.
Yeah.
It is really good. I always try to add a little bit of protein in mine because, you know, it'll help you power through the day and you won't have to eat so many snacks and it'll keep you fueled till lunch. Okay guys, this is my mixed berry smoothie. It is very good. If you follow the ingredients that I did, you will love it. It's really nutritious and good for your breakfast. And now we're gonna watch Mally make her pineapple smoothie. So
I'm looking up the recipe right now.
she's looking up a good recipe.
So I'm going to be making my pineapple smoothie, and first we have to have a cup, some protein collagen stuff. I'm using the one that helps with your beauty and sleep, a banana, almond milk, vanilla yogurt, and then of course pineapple. Now we just are putting in some pineapple, almond milk, vanilla yogurt, some banana, the protein, and then we're done. Now we're going to be using this Cuisinart blender. Please sponsor me. Okay guys, so that is how you make our pineapple smoothie and mixed berry smoothies. And cheers. Oh. So if you want to find out more of our recipes that we're going to be making, make sure to comment down below if you want us to make another one of these, and go check out our Pinterest accounts. I'll put them right here. Judas is at The Perfect Moment. Mine is at Malachi_Dawson. And we have more smoothie recipes on there.
Why am I laughing?
So, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.